Hi everyone, it's Maya from WholesomeYum.com, and today I'm showing you how to cook bacon in the air fryer. When I first got my air fryer, I was a little skeptical. Do I really need another kitchen appliance? But I'm so glad I went for it because it has been a game changer for so many things. And one of them, crispy air fryer bacon. I cook bacon in the oven a lot. In fact, I have a separate video for it. I'll link that down below for you. It's great for large batches. But bacon in the air fryer is perfect for when you want just a small batch with less cleanup, and it comes out more crispy and much faster than the oven. The other advantage of air fryer bacon is if you care how it looks, you get that nice wavy appearance that you get from stovetop bacon, but without the hassle, the grease splatter, all that inconvenience. If you like simple tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of videos for simple recipes, proteins, veggies, basics that turn out simple and delicious. So for today, let me show you how easy it is to cook bacon in the air fryer. Let's do this. The first thing you're going to do is preheat your air fryer to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, you don't have to preheat it. Bacon in the air fryer will still work even if you don't, but I figure you're getting your bacon out of the package anyway, might as well preheat. Also, 370 is the optimal temperature because lard has a smoke point of 374 degrees, so setting it to 370 will ensure that it's below the smoke point. Once your air fryer is preheated, remove the basket, and if you want to be extra safe about smoking, you can add a little bit of water to the bottom, just enough to cover the bottom. Again, this is not required, but if you want to, go ahead and add it. Now you're just going to arrange the bacon in a single layer in the bottom of the air fryer. It's okay if the pieces are folded a little bit. They will shrink as the bacon cooks, totally normal. And the amount of bacon you can fit in there will depend on your air fryer. Mine, I'll link it down below, fits about 8 slices, which is a good amount. Try not to overlap the slices too much, but if they overlap just a little bit, that's okay. Don't forget to wash your hands after you've been touching the raw bacon. Now you can place your air fryer basket back into the air fryer and set it to 6 minutes. The bacon is not going to be done yet at that point, but you're going to remove the basket and just use tongs to spread the bacon around a little bit. At this point, it's going to be a little bit smaller so you can spread it out better so that the pieces are not overlapping. And place that back into the air fryer, and you're going to cook for about 1 to 4 more minutes, or maybe up to 5 minutes for thick cut bacon. I like mine at about 3. Now our bacon is pretty much done, but I have one last step to show you to make it extra crispy. So grab a paper towel and you're just going to blot the top. Even if you don't care about the fat, this is really nice to get the bacon extra crispy, and it will crisp up even more as it cools. And now you can go ahead and remove the bacon from the air fryer. I like to use tongs to make it easier. That's all there is to it. Easy, crispy air fryer bacon. Okay, I'm going to make myself a plate. It's breakfast somewhere. I happen to have some scrambled eggs here. I don't know about you guys, but I am definitely a breakfast for dinner kind of person. So if you are too, make some scrambled eggs, make some air fryer bacon in less than 10 minutes, and you've got a meal. Couple slices of bacon. And I love some avocado with this as well. I'll slice that thinly, and you can just use a spoon to scoop this right out. This is going to be so crispy. That was perfect. If you want the fastest way to make bacon that is just perfectly crispy, I can't say it enough, this is the way to do it. I hope you're gonna try it soon. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. If you do, and snap a photo, post it with #WholesomeYum so that I can see it too. See you next time on Wholesome Yum, where I share easy, healthy recipes, all with 10 ingredients or less.